Burj Khalifa, Dubai fountains to enjoy this incredible view. Look at the vibe you are getting over here. As you can see again, incredible views, open views, Sheikh Zayed Road, Suqaim, Jumeirah, and amazing and incredible views of sea view. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rizwan with you. So today we're gonna talk about an incredible 3 bedrooms apartment right located in downtown, in the heart of downtown, right next to Burj Khalifa, Dubai fountains, which is just in front of this beautiful building. Here I am standing in that building where I will show you a 3 bedrooms with a study room, with the maid room, half floor apartment, which is having the size of 2,300 square feet and 180-degree views. So without wasting any time, let's check out the apartment. Watch the full video until the end and don't waste any single second of that. So let's go. So once you enter in the apartment, here you got a very huge and spacious passage which is connecting you all the way from to the entrance towards your living area, towards your bedroom, towards your bathroom. So at the very start on the left side, here you are getting extra space to make some shoe racks over here. Here you are getting a beautiful powder room for your guest with the Italian marble. So let me explain you about the layout of this huge 3 bedrooms apartment. So here, once we enter on our right side, we got our living area, dining area and the kitchen. Let's move towards the living area, which is incredibly huge, and you will feel an incredible kind of vibe. You are living here in this apartment. First of all, look at the ceiling. Here you are getting the ceiling of around 5.5 meters. This is not a normal kind of ceiling for any kind of apartments. This kind of ceiling you get only in the penthouses. The second thing, from 180-degree you are getting floor to ceiling windows starting from here. It's going all the way to that side. So let me show you the view. For this thing you are paying the amount to enjoy this incredible view. Look at the vibe you are getting over here. While you are standing in your balcony, you will be able to see Burj Khalifa, Dubai fountains, all the traffics and the pedestrians of downtown Dubai Mall. Then if we talk about the open view, in the middle you are getting the view of Dubai Creek Harbor, canal, river, whatever you say. The clouds will be down and you will be able to see these skyscrapers all the way at every time from this balcony. So let's move towards the other part. This was the living area, living and dining, and here you are getting a huge U-shaped kitchen. A lot of the cupboards, cabinets you will be able to get over here, and this is the space for your stove, which is coming with the hatchback of Italian marble again on the back side. Then a beautiful sink over here. This is a normal sink for the normal kind of things, but if you want to make it a special bigger one or the electric, the modern one, you can make as per your need. This is the most beautiful thing that I noticed over here, that you are getting the white Italian marble all the way in the U shape, starting from here to there. So let's move forward. This is gonna be the space for your laundry. Over here they have given a specific area for your laundry, as the other buildings in Emaar, normally you are getting this kind of area in every apartment of Emaar. And this is the maid room, which is just next to your kitchen, and it's coming en suite with this tiny and cozy bathroom. Let's move towards your bedrooms and talk about the specification of the bedrooms. So while you are passing from your passage here, you're gonna get incredible, beautiful and amazing kind of feeling. This is your common bathroom which will be shared with your 2 bedrooms, because all of the bedrooms are not in ensuite. Only master bedroom will be the ensuite, then the second guest bedroom will be the ensuite. So this will be the common for your second and third bedroom. So let's move towards your master bedroom. This is gonna be your master bedroom. If we talk about this bathroom, this is also kind of huge. The bathtub you are getting over here, this standing shower with the glass you are getting in over here. Normally you don't get these kind of features in the Emaar building. You only get in the address hotel. One of the amazing feature of this apartment is that you are getting a full wall for your spaces as a walk-in closet. Starting from here, it's going all the way to the end. As you can see, it got so many spaces over here. So as per your requirement, you can make as for her, for him. So again, you are getting 2 side view. The one over here which is connected to another separate balcony. The one, this is floor to glass windows, which is more than a half wall. They have covered with this glass, which will give you amazing views of the sunset, because this is the west side. So the sunset will be on this side. So let's move outside. I'll show you the view now from this balcony. So from this private balcony of your bedroom, as you can see, again incredible views, open views, Sheikh Zayed Road, Suqaim, Jumeirah, and amazing and incredible views of sea view. So let's move forward to your other 2 bedrooms. So this is your second bedroom or the guest bedroom. Again, you are getting it ensuite, as I have discussed before. You are getting a standing shower and a beautiful vanity top, only with the 1 sink and a perfect mirror for your guests. The size, if we talk about the size of this bedroom, it's the normal for the king size bedroom, and again walk-in closet. The wardrobes you are getting over here, again the same height of 5.5 meters, and then floor to ceiling windows to enjoy the beautiful views of the sunset. Let's move forward towards the third bedroom. So in this bedroom, as you can see, you can use it as your office room, your study room, your proper bedroom, whatever your need is, your requirement is, you can make. So again, floor to ceiling windows with the beautiful views of Business Bay, Dubai Canal. Let's move towards your fourth and final bedroom. This size, it's kind of huge size, and this is your proper guest bedroom. The common bathroom we was talking about at the outside has made for these 2 bedrooms. So this was 3 bedroom with the maid room and with study room apartment. As I have discussed to you, that this around half floor apartment is very rare to find in downtown with the very reasonable prices. 3 bedrooms, study room, maid room with a size of 2,300 carpet area, with the views of incredible skyscrapers of the downtown Burj Khalifa, Dubai fountains. You will be able to enjoy from this apartment. The features, the facilities I have described in this video. Still, if you have any question, I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp number on the given screen. You can send me WhatsApp at any time if you are internationally based, or if you are locally based, you can call me at any time on the given number on the screen. I will see you in the next video with this same kind of amazing property. Take care. Bye-bye.